Hi guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome to a super interesting topic today. We are going to talk about the 3 top picks which you can add to your portfolio right now for April. Be prepared because the bull run is just around the corner and I am going to show you the 3 projects, but we are also going to discuss interesting price levels on the chart. So I hope you are as excited as I am. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational purposes only. Let's jump right into our first project, Matic. Matic, also known as Polygon, will be the first token we are discussing right now. Polygon, the protocol and framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain network. It's scalable and has the solution for the biggest problem of Ethereum, and that is network fees. We have super high gas fees when we want to transfer Ethereum, and Polygon is also addressing the slow transaction time we are experiencing on the Ethereum network. Whether you are a developer or you are an investor eyeing the big next opportunity, Polygon is made for you. Polygon has a growing ecosystem and offers something for everybody. And with major partnerships in the blockchain space, Polygon is set to remain a key player. If you are intrigued by the potential of Polygon, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and are you ready to move on? It should be clear by now that Polygon is a very interesting token to invest in, but we are going to find out if this is actually a good time to invest in this token now. So let's jump into the chart. So as you can see here, we are in the weekly chart. I actually like for my investments to use the higher time frame to really understand where the price is going. We can see that we had the last extensive push here to the upside in December 2020. After the first push in 2020, which lasted until May 2021, we have been in a consolidation. So what can we expect now for Matic during this bull run? As we can see here, we had a second push, or at least the last extension, and we respected our demand zone. We saw that the last low has been here and we got rejected, and then we were again in a consolidation. So what can we do now? We see that the price is moving higher step by step. We also have a lot of liquidity left to the upside. So what we can expect here is maybe a tiny retracement, but then I would definitely expect the price to be here at the last all-time highs or even higher. So right now you have a big opportunity to invest in Matic, or at least put it on your watch list and set some alarms, because I see a very big potential here. Reminder, this is informational purpose only and I'm not a financial advisor. So if you like this project, I am excited to introduce you to our second one. But first, hit the like and subscribe button. Make sure you never miss any tips again, and let's jump right in. We have Ribbon Finance. Ribbon Finance recently rebranded to Evo, but I will tell you more about it in a second. Again, we are talking about the token and we are going to talk about the chart after. Evo, which is a decentralized exchange platform that has risen from the evolution of Ribbon Finance, is specialized in futures trading. Evo is making wave with its user-friendly approach to decentralized finance and trading. Last month alone, Evo saw a daily trading volume hitting 100 million, and it's only expected to rise. Evo is your gateway to the future of trading. I'm going to show you the chart of Ribbon, that's the token, in a second, but first hit the like and subscribe button. Make sure to never miss any information again. Let's jump into the chart. Are you ready to find some interesting price levels here? So guys, we are here in the weekly chart of Ribbon versus US dollar. We can see that we had a consolidation and also a little fake out to the downside to make sure for institutions to get the best entry price. Afterwards, the price consolidated a little bit longer and then we got a huge push already to the upside, but it's not over yet. We can see that we did already a liquidity sweep here on the upside, and it's expected to continue. We broke our last interesting supply zone, which means we can look for a retracement and a good price to buy in right now. I would consider placing some alarms somewhere here in the imbalance, maybe with a Fibonacci retracement, at least the 0.5%. So we can see that somewhere here in our Fibonacci retracement, we can find a very, very good entry price. Consider putting ribbon on your watch list, because I think it will be so interesting for the next bull run. I hope you liked it so far. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's jump to our last project. Again, we are talking about their extremely interesting technological use case, and after we are going to jump in the chart. I believe that the last one is the most interesting token for you to invest in April, so please make sure to stay tuned until the end. Last but not least, we have Arweave. Arweave is a platform revolutionizing data storage. Through its unique technology, Arweave offers a permanent, secure, and decentralized web. Imagine accessing content from decades ago or securing records forever. We didn't hear a lot about Arweave in the last 2 years, at least not on their socials, but that changed just recently. In February, their CEO announced AO the Computer. AO the Computer is a hyper-parallel computer which allows different environments to run on top of it. Imagine running the environments of Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin at the same time while they are able to interact with each other. This is a huge revolution for the technological sector. I hope that you can see the value of this project already, and now we are going to see the chart to make sure that we find the best entry price here. So guys, let's check out Arweave's latest price movements. We can see here right after the tweet of the CEO about AO the Computer, Arweave made a huge jump to the upside. We also can see that we already broke through the last weekly supply level and we had a liquidity sweep here. I believe that we are having kind of a reaccumulation of positions right now, that we might see a small retracement somewhere here in the imbalance, or maybe we are just taking out this doji, but definitely AO has so much potential for the future. Make sure you add it to your watch list again. We can see since this breakout out of the consolidation, we have so much potential here to the upside. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Check out the 3 coins. We had Matic, we had Arweave, and we had Ribbon Finance, now rebranded to Evo, but you will still find the coin under Ribbon Finance. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like and subscribe button and see you next time.